right-click, New, Adjustment Layer. Add the glow effect to the new adjustment layer. Radius to 100. Intensity to 0.4. Duplicate the glow with Ctrl D. Radius to 50. Intensity to 0.3. Duplicate again. Radius to 20. Duplicate one more time. Radius to 10. Subscribe for more tutorials.